Hey!
Hi!
So we actually have been in Auckland since yesterday. We no doubt have a video to show you the tour of this little place, which is really cool. And we've just been out for some coffee and to drop some stuff off at the post office. The coffee was actually free because of where we stayed. We got a complimentary thing. We paid for lunch though. It was really good.
Did get fried chicken tacos that were really nice.
Yeah. The weather's turned out, which is good. So far at the moment, we're looking like we're going to have a good day.
Nice and stunning.
Yeah, because later we're going to the bronze final and then the actual final of the Women's Rugby World Cup, which should be really good. Really excited. Yeah.
It should be a good atmosphere because it's New Zealand versus England in the final. So.
Yeah, so hopefully England continue their winning streak, and they are the favourites, which never goes well for us.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, so no, it's been a good morning, nice and chill. Basic advantage of our massive room, and go from there. But yeah, we'll probably next see you on our way to the rugby.
Bye.
Welcome to our apartment in Auckland. It's very nice. Nice little toilet and actual shower. A lovely kitchen with an oven. We got free coffees from a coffee shop around the corner. And look at the space.
Oh, so much room.
How much room for activities?
So much room.
The view isn't anything special, but that's fine.
I think the other way would have been nice because it looked out over Auckland.
Yeah, but we booked the queen size room because, yeah, that's the train. And tomorrow we'll get that to Eden Park.
Yeah. But we get free laundry, so we need to sort that out.
Yes. But yeah. Good room.
Hi.
Hey.
So we're just off to get the train to the rugby.
Yeah, we got the first game, which is Canada-France. We wanted to get there early, just so we can get the lay of the land. Plus, it's going to be an exciting game.
Let's get a beer.
Plus, get a beer. Plus, potentially get a rugby.
Yeah, so let's get the train to the rugby.
And the weather's turned out nice.
Yeah, it's lovely. Nice, like, random view.
Yeah.
And the train station's just there. So.
Yep, and we're representing England in our generic white t-shirt.
Yeah, we both have like white, which could also be the black ferns. White and black.
Yeah.
Plus, when you have tickets to a rugby game, you don't need train tickets. You can just get on for free.
So cool. Made it. Just trying to find our thing. Yeah, it's exciting. Made it. Inside. There we go. There you go. Hey! So we found our seats. We've got our beer, and yeah. That's our view for the day. We got 2 full games, and yeah, it's great. Yeah.
Oceania to play.
Come on, girl!